Now in Missouri, there is a proposed law which would create a registry of pregnant women who are at risk for seeking an abortion. One representative says it's to make adoption less expensive and easier, but other lawmakers disagree and they have serious concerns. KMBC 9's Brian Johnson is live in our newsroom tonight, getting answers on the impact it could have. Brian.
Bria, well, it's called the Save Mo Babies Act, and it's 14 pages long. It would cost $32 million a year to administer.
House Bill 807 would create a new division of maternal and child resources. The state would maintain a central registry of each expectant mother who is at risk of seeking an abortion and facilitate adoptive services and resources.
Could we do a comprehensive plan that other states would look at to make adoption easier and less costly?
Representative Phil Amato is the sponsor. He wants to reduce the costs of adoptions and streamline the process.
I gave these adoption attorneys a blank canvas and said, paint the picture. Nobody knows your job better than you do.
Tuesday, the bill had its first hearing. Already, he plans to modify it and make the registry voluntary.
This isn't the type of job where you should allow for someone with a particular interest to just hand you some legislation and tell you to go and file it.
Representative Rachel Prouty is on the House Children and Families Committee.
Trash is trash. This bill was trash.
She argues not only Democrats but Republicans should also dislike the bill. She says this grows the government, costs taxpayers millions annually, and puts at risk very personal, private information.
There is a robust difference between intention and impact.
Both lawmakers support helping families. In Kansas City, Brian Johnson, KMBC 9 News.
Now, the bill sponsor says he is planning to amend it to address some of those concerns raised. Other lawmakers say the language is just so flawed that it can't be saved and should never become law.